This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Lovely traditional home on over a half-acre in Ford's Colony. Generous floor plan with 5 bedrooms. Large formal dining greets you off the front atrium leading to the first bedroom and full bath and to the primary suite. The primary suite is a fantastic size and features access to the back deck, 2 huge closets and a fully updated bath with dual vanity and beautifully tiled shower. Amazing light in the living room featuring vaulted ceilings and the main staircase with a balcony. The lovely white kitchen features black appliances, great storage to include a pantry and its very own fireplace with an eat-in area leading to the garage and side yard. A lovely new sunroom addition takes full advantage of the serene wooded views of the backyard. Upstairs, don't miss the awesome loft area that leads to a huge attic. 3 additional bedrooms share another full bath and 1 half bath ensuite. Exceedingly well-maintained home inspection available upon request. October 28, 2024. For more information, review the details below.